Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be trying out a new hair tool. It's the Babyliss Curl Styler Luxe, which looks like this. For those who aren't new to this channel, you know that I always do different types of hair tutorials and use different hair tools, and I'm always trying new things. So today I'll be trying out the Babyliss Curl Styler Luxe. It has 3 heat settings, 160, 180 and 200 degrees. Obviously I usually curl my hair at the highest, hottest setting to get the best results. So it's got a combination of a split barrel which opens out like this, so it looks like a straightener, but it also has the outer large round barrel which also gets hot, and that helps to form the curls as well. So when you grab on the hair, which I'll obviously show you, you grab on the hair, clamp the hair, and you obviously wrap the hair around it, and it just easily curls the hair. Another thing it has is this cool air technology which is channeled all around the barrel. So basically it helps to set the hair while you're forming the curls. So once your selected heat setting has been reached, the cool air function will automatically turn on. Hold for a few seconds and then let it go. So you get this really cool, nice loose curl. I like the fact that you just have to literally glide the tool down your hair and it curls it for you. The fact that it's wrapped around these large barrels help with the forming of the waves. I'm gonna run my brush through the curls just a little bit. This is pretty much the finished look. I really like it. I honestly wasn't sure how it was going to turn out at first, but I love the curls. It's nice and loose, nice and wavy. This wig, if you're wondering, is from RPG show. I wasn't sure, it just wasn't coming out well until I mastered the technique. So you literally have to turn the wand upside down, twist and drag down, and you get these really cool curls. Like I said, if you're very good at curling your hair with straighteners, this tool will be like so easy for you to use. I'll definitely put the link to the Babyliss Curl Styler Luxe in the description box. I would love to see you guys recreate this look. If you do try it out, I'll put the link to where you can get this from. Also want to say thank you to Babyliss for sponsoring this video. And yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.